In this video I will demonstrate a few new features in development for the admin of PA. I start off with the breakdown exclusion. Currently, when you have a lot of breakdowns on an indicator, you should apply the exclusions like this by selecting the breakdown in the second breakdown. This is simplified by a UI action. When you click it, you see a matrix containing the results of the breakdown matrix. So the CI has about 3000 results, and in the matrix you would multiply it with the other breakdowns, so that can be a lot of scores that would be collected. So to exclude the ones that collect too much, you just click it. Click a few that are the high numbers. And here you see that the result that almost 96% is now saved. So that's a much easier approach. And you see that the rows are added in the matrix automatically. So this is the first feature. Now I have two minor improvements. This is an automated indicator, and now you have a related list used in formula. In this related list you see in which formula indicators this indicator is used. So it's this one. And this is a formula indicator which on its place is again used in another formula indicator. And the other is also a related list, but then the other way around. Formula contains. Here you will see all the formulas contained, of all the indicators contained in the formula. So in this case, these two, here you see them. And it works hierarchical. So this one has two formula indicators, and then in the formula contained you will see all the indicators, also the indicators that are used in this two. So, and the last thing I will demonstrate is check breakdowns. This is a formula indicator, and it contains out of this two, and what you in general want is that the breakdowns on the used indicators in the formula are the same as in the breakdown itself. And that can be a bit of a hassle to search. For example, if contact type, let's try to add this one. To make this process easier, there is a UI action check breakdowns for formula indicators. Is this visible? And here you see a matrix of the breakdowns for all the involved indicators. So I just added contact type, but you see that this is not a valid option, because this breakdown is meant for problem, and I've added it where the underlying indicators are for incident. So let's remove it again. Now the wrong one is gone, but there are some missing. You see that on this indicator the assignment group and business service is not applied. So let's add them. And on the formula indicator, none are currently applied. I could click all the plus signs, but I can also click add all missing mappings, and that does it all in once. And again, you see that now we have the 6 right breakdowns applied. So this is it for now. Please give your feedback on if this is the appropriate way to solve this issue.